If you're new, my name's Liv, and today I'm really excited, a bit tired. It is the morning, but it's a perfect time to make one of our favourite breakfast recipes that we make pretty much every weekend. It's gonna see you through until dinner, most of the time, if you wake up late enough. So anyway, today we're gonna be making shakshuka, which is basically a baked egg recipe, but we're actually not gonna bake it. We're just gonna cook it on the stove with a lid. It's just one pot, super easy. And if you want to see how I make it, just stay where you are. So to start, we're just going to peel one red onion, slice it in the middle, and then dice. We're going to add 1 clove of garlic. I would recommend using 2 to 3, but we only had 1 left in the pantry. Now going in with 1 large red chilli, just slicing that and adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan. Now adding our red onions to the pan, and we're going to dice 1 red capsicum into small chunks. We'll add a pinch of salt to our onions and go straight in with our capsicum. Now we want to cook that down for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll go in with our chili and our garlic. Now just taking the tops off our mushrooms here and just giving them a rough slice and adding them into our pot. Now we'll rinse 1 tin of black beans. And we're going to go in with our spices. Now we'll let our spices toast in there for about a minute, and they'll start to stick to the bottom of the pan, which is exactly what we want. We'll just deglaze the pan with a little bit of water, a couple of tablespoons, before we go in with about another cup of water. We'll make sure we scrape all those bits at the bottom off, taste for seasoning, and start dicing up 3 tomatoes. Now we'll add our tomatoes to the mix. And go in with another cup of water. We'll simmer this on a medium heat for about 4 minutes before adding in our black beans. So now it's time to crack our eggs into our pot. So we'll make a little bit of room for them and crack the eggs straight in. Now we'll cover with a lid and cook on a medium heat for about 3 minutes before checking those. So now we're just going to chop up the stalks of our 1/2 cup of coriander, and we'll put the stalks straight in after we see how these eggs are going. So they need a couple more minutes, so we've just removed the lid and we'll cook for another 2 minutes. Now they're ready to come out. Okay, time to taste the shakshuka. Get a bit of egg. And capsicum. It's so good. It's really balanced. You've got the acidity from the tomatoes, and you've got protein source from the eggs, and you've got the saltiness from the feta. It's just so good. It's so savory. It's so warming. It really is one of our favorites, and I'm gonna go eat this now. Thank you again so much for watching. If you make this, please let us know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like this. And if you have any recommendations of things that you'd like to see me make, just please drop a comment and let me know. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Bye.